Breaking news coming in. Dom Chu has that for us at headquarters. Dom.
All right, Sarah, there's been a lot of focus on vaping and e-cigarettes and smoking alternatives. This is coming from the Georgia State Department of Public Health. They have now identified the state's first death from a vaping-associated illness. Now, that brings the total death count from vaping-related illnesses up to 10 nationwide. This is the first time the state of Georgia has recorded one. They have now been documenting 9 separate cases of vaping-related illnesses. This is the first death that's been confirmed. One other bit to add there, they did offer just a slight bit of color on what's happening here. They said the patient had a history of heavy nicotine vaping, but no reported history of vaping THC itself. So those are the latest news items that we have here. Remember, Sarah, Wilfred, the CDC and states have been investigating about 500 plus instances of vaping-related illnesses. We heard earlier this week it could be hundreds more than that. This is the latest out of the state of Georgia. Sarah, Wilfred, I'll send things back over to you.
Yeah, some of the other cases related to THC vaping in terms of the deaths. Dom, thank you. I mean, this is devastating. It's getting worse.
Stop it now. It's enough. And I like what the White House said about the flavors. Take it further. Every state's attorneys general should be looking at this and initiating proceedings to shut it down. I understand we're trying to get people off of cigarettes, and we can go back to the patch, we can go back to the gum, it's okay. We don't need this. Shut it down. It's enough.
It relates to a story in the markets today as well, which is the fact that the Philip Morris Altria deal, merger talks broken up, no longer happening. That's clearly a big catalyst why Altria's big stake in Juul.
Going back to the point earlier, the discussion we had, Josh, you want to sell all tobacco stocks or just Altria with exposure to Juul?
So my generation and younger, for us, there are things that are more important than the incremental extra dollar we can make from an investment. And so my point is not that I think these stocks are going to work or not. I would not even consider under any circumstance giving my money to these people who every day wake up and try to figure out where the line is and how close to it they can get. And I'm telling you, it is an epidemic. Teenagers, people that are not yet 18, have no business. They can't buy this stuff legally. They're getting it. They're using it. And there's just no purpose in having it be available. I just don't understand why we're even entertaining it. And I'm glad that, unfortunately, these deaths are now bringing enough attention that something will be done. That's the only silver lining I could find.